All right, so we're getting ready to install the engine into the engine bay for the first time. I got the engine hoist here all built up, and the mounts are already on it. I might have to move these though. I put them on these holes here. I might have to move them back. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see what where the engine sits, and then we'll go from there.